Hey guys, how are you? Also, I hope all of you are doing good and keeping yourself and your family healthy and safe. So first of all, I would like to thank all of you for giving such a wonderful response in my last video and giving so much like and comment on that video. So in this video, I'm gonna share, I'm gonna give a detailed room tour of my staff college Bengaluru, in which I'm currently staying. So let's start the room tour, guys. So I'll start from the beginning. So this is the main gate from which we enter, and this is the whole room which you can see from here, and this is the washroom. I'll show you the washroom as well. So you can see washroom, it's quite a nice washroom with a geyser as well, and it's very cold in Bengaluru compared to Bihar, so geyser is coming handy. And this is a table, and this is the bed of my roommate Ankit, and he recorded the last video which got so many views, so thank you, Ankit. um, this is basically a table, and that is my table on which I usually don't sit. This is the dressing table, and you can see me, and this is my bed, and you can see the bed is looking nice and clean and tidy because today only they have changed the bed sheet, given a new bed sheet and new towel, so they change it in every 3 days. And this is the wardrobe, guys. This is my wardrobe and that is my roommate's wardrobe. Show you inside the wardrobe as well. So this is wardrobe and this is my table, and now I'll take you to the best part of this room, that is the balcony. As you can see, this is the balcony, guys. So this is the balcony, guys, and you can see the view, how much good the view is. So yeah, this was the whole room, guys, as you can see. I hope you like the video, and if you do, so please subscribe to my channel and like the video and comment down your thoughts for the video. In the future, I'll be coming with more videos of my stay in Bangalore. I have hardly 4 days left for this stay because the training ends on 29th. So basically I'll bring some staff college tour video. So till then, all the best for your future, guys, and keep studying hard, and I'm sure you all will qualify the exam in the coming attempts. So all the best for your future, guys. Bye, see you in the next video.